So you want to spam the delete to get into the BIOS. Here's what it looks like. Here's the Rufus bootable USB options you want to select when you create a bootable flash drive. And here are some settings to look out for. What I do is I set the USB to the primary so it just boots right from it. And then you can also disable secure boot. I disable fast boot as well. So when it boots from the flash drive, you get to install Windows, and you'll be greeted with this blank screen. And the reason for this is because it doesn't have a VMD or a RST driver, so it can't talk. So let's talk about that. VMD stands for Volume Management Device. RST is Rapid Storage Technology. It's part of Intel's newest storage architecture and can provide things like storage management, RAID support, and coordination between the process storage controller and NVMe drivers. This laptop uses this technology to manage the SSD. So what's happening is the laptop's BIOS already has what it needs to communicate with the drive. So it shows up there, and you can confirm it by doing this, what I've done in command prompt. But what's happening is this installation USB image doesn't have the correct drivers. So essentially what's happening is this Windows is saying, hey, I don't know how to talk to this SSD. So the SSD looks like it's missing, even though it's perfectly fine when you check in the BIOS. When you load this correct driver, you're going to tell Windows installer how to communicate with the SSD, and then you'll be able to see the drives. So here's how to do that. So I'll put a link to the download where you'll see the driver. You'll want to download this driver, extract it, and put that folder into the root area of the bootable flash drive. And then when you come back here, you can load driver and then browse. And then you will search for that folder and you should see this. Select the second option, load it. And if you do this properly, the NVMe SSD should pop up. And that's how you fix this.